Boston Dynamics has been creating some of the most advanced, impressive robots in the world, and their robots are a blend of robotics, AI, and engineering that give them mind blowing abilities. Imagine a robot that can not only walk but also jump, run, and carry heavy boxes like it's second nature. That's Boston Dynamics' lineup, with robots like Atlas and Spot, which are designed to mimic real world tasks and adapt to complex environments. Alright, Boston Dynamics robots like Atlas, Spot, and Stretch are the perfect display of what modern robotics can achieve. Let's break down their build and functionality. Built and functionality. Boston Dynamics robots aren't just boxes with wheels. They're engineered to mimic and sometimes surpass human or animal movements. Take Atlas, for instance. This humanoid robot stands about 5 feet tall and has a design that emphasizes balance, agility, and coordination. Each part, arms, legs, torso, works together to let it jump, flip, and even perform dynamic balance maneuvers that seem right out of an action movie. The tech behind it involves state of the art actuators and sensors, letting it constantly adjust its balance, handle heavy landings, and carry out complex movements seamlessly. On the other hand, we have Spot, which is dog inspired in design. This little guy is four legged, making it incredibly stable on rough terrains, stairs, and even slippery surfaces. Each leg is built with high torque actuators that allow Spot to adjust its stance and weight, giving it stability when carrying equipment or navigating tricky environments. It can autonomously map its surroundings using a set of cameras, laser sensors, and obstacle detection software, so it's practically self driving. Then there's Stretch, the box lifting powerhouse. Built specifically for warehouse and logistics work, Stretch has a large robotic arm designed to move boxes at high speed. The arm has a suction pad at the end that picks up items with precision, and a mobile base lets it zip around different locations. It can handle repetitive tasks like loading and unloading trucks, saving time and cutting down on manual labor. In videos, you'll see these robots in action: Spot carrying boxes, Atlas jumping and spinning, Stretch organizing warehouse items. Each is built with a purpose, a different type of movement, and a unique set of skills, making them some of the most versatile robots out there. Applications into real life. What really makes these robots special isn't just their ability to move, but their applications in the real world. Spot, for example, is already in use by companies for tasks like surveying construction sites, detecting gas leaks, and even performing surveillance in places unsafe for humans. Imagine sending Spot into a hazardous area instead of a human worker. It's safer, faster, and gives real-time feedback on the environment. Atlas, on the other hand, is still more of a research prototype, but is a game changer in agility and human-like motion. It's used in demonstrations to show what's possible with human-robot collaboration. For example, if you've seen a video of Atlas carrying boxes or performing gymnastic-like movements, you're looking at the future of robots that could one day assist humans directly in labor-intensive jobs. The future of Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics aims to push even further, making these robots more autonomous and intuitive, capable of making real-time decisions and performing even more complex tasks. The goal is to develop robots that can work alongside people in various industries, contributing to everything from logistics and manufacturing to healthcare and emergency response. Imagine a future where robots like Atlas and Spot aren't just performing isolated tasks, but are integrated seamlessly into our daily lives, handling the tough jobs with ease and making work safer and more efficient for humans. Boston Dynamics robots, with their cutting-edge design and functionality, are not only redefining what's possible in robotics, but are also setting the stage for a future where human-robot collaboration will be the norm. To wrap up, Boston Dynamics robots are shaping up to be the backbone of a new era in robotics. Their creations go beyond conventional machines, focusing on practical real-world applications while constantly pushing technological boundaries. Atlas, Spot, and Stretch don't just perform tasks, they challenge our expectations of what robots can do. Atlas brings in human-like agility, learning to balance, jump, and move with precision that's nearly indistinguishable from a person. Spot, with its four-legged design, has shown us that robots can be stable, reliable, and useful in unpredictable environments. Meanwhile, Stretch simplifies heavy lifting in warehouses, showing us just how efficient robots can make logistics. These robots have real-world impact now, but their potential reaches far beyond their current uses. Spot, for example, has already proven invaluable in safety inspections, especially in hazardous locations, and the demonstration videos we see of Atlas performing acrobatics hint at the agility and adaptability that future robots might bring to the workplace, potentially stepping into roles where human safety is at risk. Stretch's deployment in warehouses shows the potential for robots to take over repetitive tasks, relieving humans of heavy and monotonous labor while improving efficiency. Looking forward, Boston Dynamics is focusing on making these robots smarter and more autonomous, with the ability to make decisions and navigate dynamic environments. In the long term, we may see their robots integrated into everything from public safety and healthcare to environmental monitoring. Imagine these machines as essential partners in situations where human skills and safety would be stretched too thin. By pushing robotics toward an even greater understanding of the human environment, Boston Dynamics is setting the stage for robots that are less like isolated tools and more like collaborative partners. Ultimately, Boston Dynamics is at the forefront of a robotic revolution that's set to redefine labor, safety, and interaction with technology. They're not just building machines, they're crafting an entire new relationship between humans and robots, one where we work side by side, each taking on roles that best suit our abilities. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments.